Bitcoin price surges above $42,000 as rate cut bets. Fuel grows asset rally. Gold touches all-time high as speculation grows that Fed will soon lower borrowing costs. Bitcoin surged to its highest price in nearly 20 months while the gold hit an all-time peak on Monday as frenzied investor speculation that interest rate will fall next year rippled through assets across the globe. The cryptocurrency soared to more than $42,000 on Monday, also boosted by optimism that the toughest regulatory punishments for the industry have passed. It later fell back to 41,662, up 7.4% on previous day. Their move followed as a recent rush into stocks and bonds, fueled by growing expectation that Federal Reserve will soon cut borrowing costs, despite by Chair Jay Powell's assertion on Friday that it was premature to conclude that the central bank has won its battle with inflation. You look at Bitcoin and gold and you see a very similar kind of evolution, said Luca Belluni, chief strategist at Pictet Asset Management. All the asset class that tends to do well when the Fed cuts rate aggressively are doing well. Traders are now betting the first rate reduction could come as soon as March after a sharp decline in government and corporate borrowing costs as US bond markets enjoy their biggest monthly rally in nearly 4 decades in November. Lower yields on ultra-safe US Treasury debt have made other assets relatively more attractive to investors. The S&P 500 index closed at the highest level since March 2022 last week, although it was down 0.6% midway through the Monday session. Recent US economic data has been resilient even while inflation has fallen, further boosting risky assets like stocks. Max Kettner, chief multi-asset strategist at HSBC, said markets were in the grip of an everyone is happy gold locks rally across virtually all asset classes. Traders set the momentum to buy Bitcoin, whose value has climbed by more than fifth in the past month, was also driven by growing interest among investors that the closure of the two of the most high-profile criminal cases that had hung over the market for the last year. Last month, the US successfully prosecuted Sam Bankman-Fried, former chief executive of FTX, and Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. Bankman-Fried was connected to fraud, and Binance paid $4.3 billion in penalties after pleading guilty to criminal charges related to money laundering and financial sanction breaches. But despite many traders' fear, US authorities did not shut down Binance. Binance continued to face a desperate lawsuit from Security and Exchange Commission for allegedly violating the security laws.